The 2026 Astrolift product catalogue is officially here, your single source for complete facility efficiency. Inside, we streamline your workflow with high-capacity materials, handling solutions, and precision industrial trolleys. Our industrial access equipment range provides the structural stability your team needs to work at height with absolute certainty. Optimize your dispatch with industrial packaging systems and maintain site standards with heavy-duty cleaning equipment. And safeguard your people and assets with world-class impact protection barriers. Every category handled by one technical partner. Engineered entirely for ordering efficiency. Request your physical hard copy or download the digital edition online today. Astrolift, one provider to equip your entire facility. Find everything you need in one place.